Bank of Zambia's responsibilities, they look at what is commonly referred to as monetary policy rate. And some of the objectives of the monetary policy rate is they want to ensure that there's price stability within the economy. They want to ensure that the macroeconomic objectives which are set by government, in this instance, we normally hear the finance minister go to parliament and say, this year our macroeconomic policies are as follows. They mentioned to say we are targeting inflation to be in the range of 6 to 8%. We want to grow the economy or GDP to such and such a percent. Those are some of the macroeconomic objectives. So Bank of Zambia, through monetary policy, are responsible for ensuring that they try and achieve this as much as possible by ensuring that there's price stability. With COVID, what has happened indeed is that most businesses are struggling to make ends meet. Business is not really that good. And when you now go to a commercial bank, despite the reduction in the policy rate, which will result in a reduction in the lending rates by commercial banks. With COVID-19, your sales have actually dropped. You're experiencing a decline in business. So if you now go to a commercial bank and you say you want to borrow money, the bank will not give you money. And the reason they will not give you money is because they will be looking at you to say, yes, you are having a financial problem, but you are not having, your problem cannot be solved by me giving you a loan. If I give you a loan, I'm actually making your situation worse because your ability to generate income has actually dropped. So that is the advice that they will give you. They will not actually give you money because there you are failing. Your money is dropping because you are unable to sell. Even with with the announcement to say there is money available to be borrowed at what appears to be a lower lending rate, the uptake might not be very good because there is no opportunity to make money. So an opportunity to make money needs to be available. And if you did listen to the governor or even the commercial banks, they're actually saying they will not relax the conditions that they are giving. What they do not want is default. They want to see if the person who wants to borrow money has the ability to repay. So in terms of help in the COVID-19 situation, what would have been ideal if we were an economy which is resilient, which has good reserves, would have been to work out a mechanism where you are looking at businesses which are failing as a result of COVID-19, and you say you want to stimulate them. You give them grants. You give them grants where they do not need to repay, and you ensure that you monitor them so that they perform, they sustain their business operation. You're looking at saving jobs. That would have been ideal. But at the moment, I think our economy is, it's disjointed, it's dislocated. Many terms have been used, and I think there's admittance from all the principal players within the economic sector to say that our economy is in a bad state. So that is how things would have actually worked out. If grants would have been made available, it would have been better. But regrettably, I don't think that we have the capacity as a country to give grants because we simply do not have money. We're actually looking for money as a country.